Compressed gas cylinders are powerful tools, but in the wrong hands, they can be ticking time bombs. If mishandled, they can explode, become dangerous projectiles, or release toxic gas into the air. Are you prepared to handle them safely? Welcome to OSHA Outreach Courses. Our compressed gas cylinder safety course is designed to help you work safely, efficiently, and with confidence. In just 24 minutes, you'll learn everything you need to know to prevent accidents, protect yourself, and ensure workplace compliance. Not all gases are the same, and neither are their risks. Some are highly flammable, others can corrode metal, and some can displace oxygen, leading to suffocation in seconds. Knowing what you're dealing with is critical. Before handling any cylinder, always check the label. Never rely on color codes. They vary between manufacturers and regions. One mistake, and you could be using the wrong gas for the job. Proper storage is just as important as handling. Gas cylinders must be stored upright and secured to prevent tipping. They should be kept at least 20 feet away from flammable materials. And, of course, stored in well-ventilated areas to prevent gas buildup. Did you know oxygen doesn't burn, but it fuels combustion? Storing oxygen near flammable gases is a disaster waiting to happen. This course will teach you how to keep incompatible gases separate and safe. When it's time to move a cylinder, never roll it, drop it, or drag it. Use a proper hand truck or cart and secure the cylinder to prevent accidents. And always keep the valve cap on. That's your first line of defense against leaks and impact damage. Working with gas cylinders, the valve and regulator are crucial. Follow these steps. Remove the regulator before moving a cylinder. Make sure fittings are tight, but never force them. Stand to the side when opening the valve to protect yourself from sudden pressure releases. What if there's a leak? Would you know what to do? If you smell gas, hear a hissing sound, or suspect a leak, do not try to fix it yourself. Move the cylinder to a safe location if possible. Alert your supervisor immediately. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, can save your life. When handling gas cylinders, always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect against sudden leaks and pressure releases. Our compressed gas cylinder safety course is entirely online, allowing you to train at your own pace from anywhere. In just 24 minutes, you'll gain the knowledge to prevent accidents and work safely. And once you complete the course, you'll receive your OSHA certificate, proving your expertise and compliance. Don't wait until it's too late. Click the link in the description below to enroll in the compressed gas cylinder safety course today. One mistake could cost a life. Be the one who knows how to prevent it. OSHA Outreach Courses, your trusted partner in workplace safety. Start today.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.